If you have ever wanted a clean and professional floor plan without overcomplicated software, this is going to make your life so much easier. In Arcadium 3D, a floor plan is simply a top-down view of your 3D design. Arcadium 3D automatically turns on outlines and cross-sections, so everything is super easy to read. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything. Let's go. At the very top, I am already in the 3D mode and do one simple thing, and I'm going to press show outline. When I show the outline, this creates this beautiful outline drawing of my 3D model. But of course, we want a floor plan. So one more step takes me to elevations. With elevation, zero in on that floor plan button, and this is going to take me here. Now this looks like a traditional floor plan, and that's why Arcadium 3D is so amazing, because it literally turns your 3D model into this in literal seconds. So another feature that I want to go ahead and show you is on the left hand side. Now on the left hand side, I have two things: dimension and area. When I click on dimension, I can go ahead and map out the dimension of any room. So for example, drag and drop this here, look at the points, and just drag and drop. It is that simple. If for any reason you don't immediately see your dimension, I want to show you a technique that's super helpful. So for example, let me go back here and choose a label, choose dimension. I'm going to drag this up here, and do you see how that tucks behind? If you go to the right hand side, click on elevation, drag your mouse to the right, you will see that label pop up again, and you can resume your workflow. But better yet, I'm going to show you my favorite aspect of this guy, which is the font size. And as someone who wears glasses, I need this to be a lot bigger. So I have the floor plan of the bedroom. I can go ahead and map out the floor plan of the entire house if I wanted to as well. If I am happy with how this looks and I want to save it for later, I can drag and drop this to anywhere I want in the white area. Let's say I want to make a note that this is the bedroom. Go to labels, text, add a label, and on the right hand side, you just start typing. Now, if I want the area of a certain room, click on that button and then create the point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 closes this point. Drawing done. Show outline, because I want to go back to the outline mode. And I'm going to drag and drop that out here. And this is my area for the bedroom. I can do that to all of these rooms, to the entire house, and really get a good idea of how I want my floor plan to look. When you are happy with your floor plan, print this out, click on the printer button, print to PDF, and it's that simple. Have a great rest of your day and subscribe for more.